you are looking for a new approach to self-manage and improve a variety of health issues and concerns, well, I have the perfect solution and I'm excited to share it with you. Hello there, my name is Debbie Savage and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to talk about acupressure mats, and there's so much to say, so I'm just going to give you the nitty-gritty. Acupressure mats are designed to restore health and balance to your body by creating a sense of calm and well-being. There are specific stimulation points on your body that can increase blood circulation to release tense muscles and also stimulate the release of oxytocin and endorphins. This is the set right here. It comes in this really nice tote bag, making it portable and easy to carry. And there's a Velcro strap right here. Inside it, you will find the pillow tucked in between the acupressure mat. The acupressure mat includes a pillow, which we have right here, and then the mat itself. Oops, there we go. The mat itself, here is what it looks like. And then the front is just beautiful. And the mats have been meticulously made to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. AJNA Wellbeing's acupressure mat set is made with eco-friendly material. And here are the spikes. They are non-toxic and recyclable. There's the cotton cover, and even the foam filling inside is eco-friendly. Don't worry if you're new to acupressure mats. I feel like I'm a novice too. I've been using it for a month or two and I love it. Actually, when I'm at the office, I have the acupressure mat on my chair, and originally, like when I sat down, it was only like 10 or 15 seconds, and then I worked up for a minute, and when I get my mind busy, I can sit on it for 5 to 10 minutes now. So don't put pressure on yourself, just ease into it, because yes, these spikes here are spiky, but they are meant to, activate those stimulation centers in your body to help increase blood flow and create that sense of well-being and calm. If you are new to this, the tip that they suggest, and that I've tried it too, wear a thin piece of clothing to help you get acclimated. And this acclimation process could take anywhere, from 1 session up to 20, and it's different for every individual. So just, take your time at your pace and do what's right for you. There are numerous practical uses for the acupressure and pillow, and here are a few ideas of how you can incorporate this into your lifestyle. Before bedtime, to promote a deeper and more restful sleep. At the office, you can sit or stand on your mat while you work. Use your pillow to induce circulation to tired legs and relieve sports-related aches and pains. Activate your meditation practice by using your acupressure mat and pillow. Use your mat to discover gentle stimulation and release in a variety of yoga poses. And the pillow is perfect for long car drives and plane journeys. Start with 5 to 45 minutes per position with your mat and pillow. While you will feel results immediately, remember to use the products consistently and the results will be greater and more beneficial over time. I just want to reiterate again, for a more comfortable feeling, definitely have a layer of clothes between your body and the acupressure mat or pillow. And as your body gets acclimated to it, for best results, direct skin contact is recommended. And again, just play with it, experiment with it. I now stand on it, and at first it was just like 15 seconds. I'm working up now. I can do it for like a minute or two, and I do it like after a long day of walking and standing, or cleaning the house. And okay, so you're wondering, can you use the mat on the floor, on the bed? And the answer is yes. Now you can imagine using it on the floor will provide a deeper sensation on that hard surface if you want something more softer. I love using it on my bed and just closing my eyes and meditating that way. So it just kind of depends like what you're in the mood for. Again, if you desire a more intense pressure, you're going to want to use a harder surface and just ease into it and allow your body just to relax into it, and you're going to get used to that sensation, and you will find that any feelings of pain and stiffness should start to ease, and that sense of calm and well-being will start to kick in. So let's go over all the different health concerns or ailments that using an acupressure mat can help alleviate. Arthritis, migraines, muscle soreness, insomnia, back pain, detoxification, stress and anxiety, neck pain, fibromyalgia, poor circulation, sciatica, headaches. There's no other time than now to take matters in your own hands and take care of your health and well-being and your stress levels. I love that AJNA Wellbeing Acupressure Mat and pillow set can help me do that in a natural, non-pharmaceutical, and non-supplemental way. Acupressure mats are a natural approach to healing, and it's the perfect solution for all people of all ages, sizes, and fitness levels. It has helped me so much with my circulation and with pain management and with helping me relax and unwind and release muscle tension and soreness, and it's helped to create a tranquil state of mind, and I really love using it, and I'm so excited for you guys to try it. So make sure to check out AJNA Wellbeing Acupressure Mat, and if you have any questions or comments, leave a comment below. Make sure to like this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.